Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can code Python on your smartphone. I'm gonna show you two apps. In the first one, you can also learn Python and of course you can code. The second one has many features and it has many libraries. So it's your choice which app you wanna use. Though you can't do big projects with these apps are best for coding anywhere and anytime. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here I am on my phone screen. Let's just quickly open Play Store and search code Python. When you search code Python, there are plenty of apps in the Play Store. So let's scroll down and click on this app, Learn Python Programmers. Guys, this app is best for beginners. You can both learn and code in this app. You can see it has built-in compiler, Python lessons, quizzes, practical examples and Python tutorials. So let's just quickly install it. Though these apps are good, but you should not expect too much from these apps. You can't do big projects with your phone, right? In this video, I'm also going to show you another app which has more libraries and more features. So stay tuned. So let's open the app. Click Get Started. I'm going to sign up with Google. I have used this app before, so my app interface can be different from yours. You can see it has courses and examples. You can also get a certificate from it, but you need to get the premium version of the app. I have completed some lessons before, so it shows continue. If you click on view example, it shows how you can code hello world program in Python. Let's see the example section. Here you can see some examples of Python programming. Let's go to the main thing, the compiler. Here you can write your program. So here I am writing a simple hello world program because everyone starts his programming journey with hello world. Let's quickly run this program and it prints hello world. Nice. A little bad thing about this app is it has some kind of coins which expires when you run some programs. So if you want to run another program, you need to watch an ad or you need to buy the premium version of the app. Okay, let's write another simple program. Let's suppose a equal to 7, b equal to 3 and x equal to a plus b. Let's print x. Let's run this code and boom, it prints 10 because 7 plus 3 is 10. When you click on the three dots here, you can see some options which are copy, clear, reset and report. So that is the first step. You should definitely give it a try. Let's move on to the second app. So again, open Play Store and search code Python and click on this app, PyDroid 3, IDE for Python 3. You can see it has many libraries and many features. So let's quickly install it. You can see it has very good reviews and 1 million plus downloads, so it must be a good app. Let's open the app and it says installing Python. Okay, so here is the app interface. Let's quickly program a simple code. So let's quickly run the code and it says please subscribe to Creative Power YouTube channel and please subscribe to my channel to watch great videos. Let's click on the three dots and it shows undo, redo, search and go to line. You can see it has many features to explore. Let's click on the three lines here, and you can see it has many options. So let's click on the sample option. So here you can see some libraries. Let's click on the option PIP. So here you can install many libraries. If you want to download some libraries like TensorFlow, then you need to get the premium version of the app. So here's those apps. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye, see you on the next video. Have a nice day.